Please tell me something about yourself.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. I am Rayalini Tuskin, 26 years of age, single. We are 3 siblings in the family. I have 1 brother and 1 sister, and I am the eldest. I have finished a 2-year course computer secretarial. Regarding about my working experience, I work as a domestic helper to Mr. and Mrs. In Sung Guan and Singapore from 2008 to 2009. I serve 3 persons consisting of 2 adults and 1 newborn baby. My duties are cleaning the house in general, washing of clothes, ironing, taking care of the baby, preparing her food, and cooking. I also work as a domestic helper to Mr. Choi Chi from 2009 to 2010. They consist of 4 persons, 3 adults and 1 newborn baby. My duties are cleaning the house in general, ironing, washing of clothes, marketing, cooking, and taking care of the baby.
Okay, so how do you take care of the baby?
Taking care of the baby, for example, if the baby cries, you should check whether she's not feeling okay, she's not feeling well, or her diaper is wet, or maybe she is hungry, and in case she's not feeling well, you should tell to your employer so they will know how to do it.
Okay, so why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
Ma'am, I want to go to Hong Kong to find a better living, to help my brother and sister for their studies, and to help my parents also for their financial needs.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am, I can cook simple Chinese food like chicken curry, stir-fried vegetables, steamed fish, steamed chicken, beef stew, and others. And I'm willing also to learn more, ma'am.
Okay, so aside from the household works you've said, do you have any other special skills with you?
I can also do gardening, hand sewing, and I also have knowledge in computer, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what are the good characteristics of a good domestic helper?
The good characteristic of a good domestic helper is trustworthy, hardworking, honest, friendly, jolly, and patient.
Okay, to sum it up, your control number 750. You're Rayalini Tuskin, 26 years old, you're single. You're the eldest among 3 siblings. You graduated a 2-year course computer secretarial, and with regards to your working experience, you worked in Singapore from 2008 to 2009 to Mr. What's this?
In Sung Guan.
Okay, in Sung Guan, and you've served 3 persons consisting of 2 adults and 1 newborn baby. Your duties are to clean the house, wash the clothes, iron the clothes, cooking, and taking care of the baby. And you also work in Hong Kong to Mr. Choi Chi as a domestic helper from 2009 to 2010. And you serve 4 persons consisting of 3 adults and 1 newborn baby. You also do house cleaning, washing of the clothes, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the baby. You said you took how to cook simple Chinese dishes, but as you said, you're willing to learn. For now, what is your message for your future employer?
In case you want to hire me, ma'am, sir, I promise to finish my 2-year contract and to stay more, ma'am.